Hello everyone, let's dive into the Skylight curved glass M-ATX case. This case immediately grabs attention with its stunning curved glass panels. It's a real looker, offering a fantastic view of your components inside. The push-to-release latch mechanism is a game changer. Forget fumbling with screws. Disassembly is quick and easy, making upgrades and maintenance a breeze. The case supports mini IDX and micro ATX motherboards, making it versatile for different build types. As a mid-tower case, it strikes a good balance between size and expandability, fitting comfortably on most desks while still offering enough room for decent hardware. It's clearly designed with gamers in mind, providing ample space for cooling solutions and graphics cards. The white color gives it a clean, modern aesthetic that will fit in well with any setup. The combination of tempered glass and alloy steel feels premium and durable. The rear mount power supply placement is pretty standard. A thoughtful addition is the bottom-mounted dust filter. This helps keep dust out of the system, which is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and extending the lifespan of components. Cleaning becomes much less of a chore. Overall, the Skylight curved glass M-ATX case is a solid choice for anyone looking to build a stylish and functional gaming PC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.